The associate of Khajuraho temple architectural Chandela. Temple of Kandaria Mahadev at Khajuraho was Chandela. Which dynasty gave India first famous temple of Khajuraho Chandela? Ruler of Chandela built Khajuraho. Temple Khajuraho related to Hindu or Jain. Temple of Khajuraho were built by the ruler Chandela. Matangeshwara temple at Khajuraho is dedicated to Shiva. Which of the following temple is not located at Khajuraho? Das Avatar. Das Avatar temple located in Devgarh, Lalitpur, built during Gupta period. रेस्ट इन लोग कंडारिया महादेव, 64 योगिनी और चित्रगुप्ता. खजुराहो में चंडेला से बना हुआ है. 64 योगिनी टेम्पल नियर मोनेरा. इट इज़ अ सर्कुलर टेम्पल बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द reign of कच्छ पघाटा dynasty. Its design given by rise to a popular belief that it was inspiration behind Indian Parliament building. स्तूपा सांची MP. पेंटिंग बाघ MP. हेडलेस स्टेचू ऑफ कनिष्का मथुरा UP. 10 अवतार टेम्पल देवगढ़ UP. नॉट वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट मंडू पोर्ट. खजुराहो टेम्पल भीमबेटका रॉक शेल्टर सांची यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज में. Which of the following statement about temple architecture are true? Freestanding mortar and stone temple are supposed to have originated in the Gupta period. Lad Khan, which is one of the earliest temple, belongs to Chalukya of Badami. In Khajuraho temple, all the compartments of the temple are connected internally and externally. The pinnacle of which of the following is built in the Dravida style? Teli temple of Gwalior. Nagara and Dravida architectural. Shikhar of the temple is Dravida in style, where ornamentation is done in the Nagara style. Example of Bisara style of architecture. Hoysaleshwar. Which center consists more than 100 Buddha caves? Kanheri. Jain temple of Abu is made of marble. Palitana temple is located near Bhavnagar. The Elephanta cave mainly is sculpture for which of the following? Shiva. Ancient monument of Elephanta are mostly Buddhist and Saivite. Famous cave temple Elephanta are ascribed to Rashtrakuta. To which period do the site Ellora and Elephanta belong? Rashtrakuta. Trimurti, famous Trimurti Elephanta. There are only two known examples of cave painting of Gupta in ancient. One of these paintings are Ajanta. Other surviving example of Gupta painting is Bagh caves. The rock cut caves in western India are located in Nasik, Ellora, Ajanta. Which of the following place is famous for Buddhist cave temple? Ajanta. Ellora cave were built by Rashtrakuta. With reference to the history of India rock cut architecture, consider the following statement. Cave of Badam at Ellora cave are made for different faith. Bhimbetka rock shelter are oldest surviving rock cut cave in India. Barabar hills consisting 4 cave named Karan, Chopar, Lomas, Rishi, Sudama and Bishu Jhopari. Ellora cave were made for of different faith. In this cave 12 belong to Buddhist, 17 belongs to Hindu, 5 belong to Jain. Statement 1, 2 is wrong. Ellora cave Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism तीनों को 13 to 29 devoted to Hindu और 30 to 34 Jain, 1 से 12 Buddhist. Beru Leni are located at the kilometer away from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Maharashtra. Ellora cave. The cave and rock cut temple at Ellora represent Hindu, Buddhist, Jain. Buddhist, Hindu, Jain rock cut cave at Ellora. Which an example of rock cut architecture? Kailash Temple, Ellora. Among the cave temple where the famous Kailash Temple located, Ellora. Wonder of rock cut architecture, Kailash Temple, Ellora. Which dynasty constructed Ellora Kailash Temple, Rashtrakuta? Kailash Temple, Rashtrakuta. Rashtrakuta ruled Kailash Temple of Ellora, Krishna I. Which dynasty ruler associated with the Kailash Temple, Rashtrakuta? Which Rashtrakuta? Krishna I. Kailash Temple, Ellora constituted by Krishna I. Rashtrakuta protection, Jain. Cave of Ajanta and Ellora located at Aurangabad. Cave of Ajanta, Ellora, Maharashtra. In which one of the following places are the cave temple built by Rashtrakuta in Ellora mountain, Aurangabad, Maharashtra? ब्रिक बिल्ड टेम्पल भीतरगांव, 10 अवतार टेम्पल देवगढ़, शिव टेम्पल भूमारा, विष्णु टेम्पल ईरान. टेम्पल ऑफ देवगढ़ नियर झांसी and the sculpture in the temple at Garhwa near Allahabad are the main important remains of Gupta art. The temple at Devgarh near Jhansi and a sculpture in the temple at Garhwa near Allahabad are important remains of Gupta. Bhitargaon, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following? This temple is constructed during 5th century to 6th century AD. It is one of the oldest brick temple of India. Bhitargaon, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. The art of Ajanta was mainly patronized by the Bakatak. Ajanta cave are linked with Jatak story. Which of the following is correct? Ajanta cave lie in the gorge of Vagora river. Sanchi Stupa, built by Maurya Emperor Ashok, Betwa river and in the Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh. Pandulena caves shrines situated in Nasik, Maharashtra, lie in the valley of Godavari. Amravati Stupa, Buddhist Stupa, Amravati, Palnadu district, Andhra Pradesh, Krishna river. Historical place Ajanta, Lepakshi, Sanchi. Which are also known for mural painting. Ajanta, Lepakshi, Sanchi नहीं है. Sanchi hemispherical brick built over the relics of Buddha. Buddhist caves are not situated in which of the following place? Sanchi and Bulsar. Pattachitra belongs to a state of Odisha and closely connected to Lord Jagannath and Vaishnav cult. Manjusa art is a folk art of Bhagalpur, Bihar. One oldest painting of India. Manjusa are temple-shaped boxes comprising 8 pillars. These are made of bamboo, jute and paper, are painted using only 3 colors: pink, green, yellow. These boxes are used in Bisahari Puja. Pithora painting is ritualistic painting practiced by tribe in Gujarat and MP. What is common to the two historical places known as Ajanta or Mahabalipuram? Both have rock-cut mountain. हम्पी कर्नाटका, नागार्जुनकोंडा आंध्र प्रदेश, सिसु पालगढ़ उड़ीसा, अरिकामेडु पुडुचेरी. कोणार्क सन टेम्पल उड़ीसा, नरसिम्हा देव बर्मन. ब्लैक पगोड़ा कोणार्क सन टेम्पल. ब्लैक पगोड़ा कोणार्क. सन टेम्पल कोणार्क. सन टेम्पल उड़ीसा. सन टेम्पल ऑफ मोधेरा गुजरात. कोणार्क उड़ीसा. ब्लैक पगोड़ा सन टेम्पल located in Patan, Gujarat. Modhera. Lingaraj Temple, Bhubaneswar. Lingaraj Temple, Bhubaneswar. Largest and tallest surviving temple in Odisha. Lingaraj. Jagannath Temple located in Odisha. Temple of Bhubaneswar and Puri was built in Nagara style. Idol of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra, Balbhadra in sanctum at Jagannath Puri temple are made up of wood. Angora Bhat Vishnu temple is located in Cambodia. In which of the following Angkor Wat temple complex located in Kampuchea, Cambodia? Initial design and construction of which massive temple took place during the reign of Suryavarman II? Angkor Wat temple. Borobudur stupa situated at Java. Gopuram, the temple of Dravidian style, stands for ornamental and multi-story structure upon the gateway. Rock cut temple of Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. Rath temple at Mahabalipuram were built by Pallava. Seventh Rath temple of Mahabalipuram was built by Narasimha Burman. Who constructed Rath temple of Mahabalipuram? Narasimha Burman I. Responsible for the creation of Rath monument Mamalpuram, Pallava. Which of the following Rath temple is the smallest? Drupadi Rath. In which temple of Kailasnathar temple of Kachi built Rajsimha style? Arrange the following in chronological. Saptapagora, Mamal style 640. Sword temple Mahabalipuram. Brideshwar temple Gangai Chola. Elephanta cave Sarban Belgola statue Khajuraho temple Sachi stupa. Bhimbetka Madhya Pradesh. Sword temple Tamil Nadu. Hampi Karnataka. Manas Assam. Correctly match. Khajuraho temple Chandela. Ellora Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Meenakshi temple Pandya. Khajuraho temple Chandela. Vaidyanatha Dham Shiv temple Sarnath first ceremony place of Buddha. Dilwara Jain temple. Badrinath Vishnu temple. Garun pillar was established by Greek ambassador Heliodorus. Statement 1 wrongly match. Buddhist architecture in India was Besnagar, Bhaja Buddhist cave shrine और Sitna Basal cave temple, Pallava king Mahendra Burman. Sun temple Konark, Sun temple Lingaraj Bhubaneswar, Hawa Mahal Jaipur, statue of Gomteshwar Karnataka. Famous for Sun temple Arasaballi. Nalanda University Sarnath pillar of Ashoka Sanchi stupa Konark Sun temple. Sonagiri, highest among 103 Jain temple, lies in proximity of Dhatia. Historical Digambar Jain temple of Sonagiri is in Madhya Pradesh. Dilwara Jain temple situated in Mount Abu. Dilwara Rajasthan. Famous Virupaksha temple located in Hampi. Nagara and Dravida and Bisara are three main style of Indian temple architecture. With the preference of cultural history of India, the term Panchayatan refers to a style of temple construction. कंदारिया महादेव खजुराहो, ब्रह्मेश्वर टेम्पल लिंगराज भुवनेश्वर, the Sapta temple Devgarh. Namisarnya, a famous pilgrimage, is located in which of the following? Sitapur. A grand image of Buddha Mahaparinirvahan with numerous celestial musicians above and the sorrowful figure of his followers below Ajanta. Arjun Pinak, descent of Ganga, sculpted on the surface of huge boulder, Mamalpuram. Chitrakoot temple, Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh both. With the reference of the art of archaeological history of the India, which one of the following was made earliest? Rock cut elephant at Dholi. Lingaraj temple Bhubaneswar. Rock cut elephant at Dholi, Ashoka, 3rd century BC, oldest among the four.